Hey everyone, winter is officially here in Alberta, and with it comes a whole blizzard of myths about what's legal, what's not, and what can actually get you fined or held responsible on the road. Today, we're breaking down the most common winter driving myths in Alberta and revealing the real facts behind them. If you drive in snow, ice, or cold weather in Alberta, this video is going to save you stress, money, and maybe even your safety. Myth 1. You have to idle your car for 10-15 minutes in winter. False. The truth is, modern engines do not need to idle for long periods to warm up. Transport Canada recommends 30 seconds to 1 minute, just enough for oil to circulate. Long idling actually causes more wear and wastes fuel. There's no Alberta-wide law requiring long idling. Some municipalities even have anti-idling bylaws, so over-idling could get you a ticket depending on where you're parked. But here's the real legal part. You must warm the vehicle enough to ensure clear visibility windshield, windows, mirrors, and lights before driving. That's the legal requirement. Myth 2. Winter tires aren't required, so all-season tires are just as good. False. The truth is, Alberta does not legally require winter tires for private vehicles. But the myth is that all-season tires perform just as well. Winter tires have a softer rubber compound and deeper tread that grips snow and ice dramatically better. And Alberta law says you must drive according to road and weather conditions. If you slide, lose control, or hit someone because you were on poor tires, you can be found at fault even if winter tires aren't mandatory. So, no, they're not legally required. Yes, they can absolutely affect your liability. Myth 3. I have AWD, so I don't need winter tires or extra caution. False. Here is the truth. AWD only helps with acceleration, not stopping. It won't help you brake faster on ice, and it won't prevent fishtailing in a turn. Alberta's safe driving laws still apply. You must adjust speed, following distance, and maneuvers based on road conditions. AWD helps you go, but winter tires and proper driving help you stop. Myth 4. It's legal to drive with snow or ice on the roof of your car. False, mostly. The truth is, Alberta's provincial rules don't list a specific fine for snow on the roof. But cities and towns can issue fines under local bylaws for dropping snow or ice onto the road and creating hazards. More importantly, Alberta's provincial safety regulations require you to maintain visibility. Ensure your vehicle does not endanger others. Clear snow and ice from windows, mirrors, lights, and your license plate. If snow flies off your roof and causes a collision or visibility hazard, you can be held legally responsible. So while there's no single roof snow fine, it still can get you in trouble. Myth 5. If the road looks plowed, I can drive normal speed. False. The truth is, plowed roads can still have black ice, packed snow, slush ridges, refreeze zones, wind-blown snow. Alberta law clearly says posted speed limits are for ideal conditions. You must adjust speed based on what's actually happening on the road. That means you can be ticketed for driving too fast for conditions. Careless driving, failing to maintain control, even if you're under the posted limit. Myth 6. If police don't see me, I can't get charged for winter driving issues. False. The truth is, officers can lay charges based on dash cam footage, witness statements, traffic camera evidence, investigation after a collision. Winter driving laws don't require an officer to witness the incident. If you weren't driving according to conditions, or you slid due to unsafe speed or poor tires, you can still be held at fault, even without being pulled over. Myth 7. Snow on the license plate isn't a big deal, it's winter. False. The truth is, you are legally required to ensure your license plate is visible and legible at all times. Police need to be able to read it. This applies year-round, including winter. Snow, ice, dirt, it doesn't matter. If they can't read your plate, you can receive a ticket. Myth 8. I don't need an emergency kit unless I drive out of town. False. The truth is, Alberta encourages every driver city or highway to carry the following: boost cables, blanket shovel, warm clothes, traction aids, phone charger, water, snacks. Breakdowns happen anywhere, even in Edmonton or Calgary. If you're blocking lanes or stuck in freezing conditions, failing to prepare may increase liability depending on the situation. Winter driving in Alberta comes with challenges, but most problems come from misunderstandings. Just because a rule isn't written as a specific winter law doesn't mean you're clear from responsibility. The key takeaway? Alberta expects safe driving based on real conditions, not myths, rumors, or assumptions. There you go. What do you think of the myths? If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more Alberta driving guides, and drop your own winter myth in the comments. I answer every single one. Stay safe out there, clear that snow, slow it down, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for always watching.